Hello everyone, let's solve this problem here. I believe some of you have started doing it, but before you go, we have an obvious solution, and the obvious solution is 1, no doubt about that, right? But that is not the only solution we have. We have other solution. Can we solve it? Let's do it together. So now I have 5 to the power of x multiplied by 10 to the power of x squared equals 50. So now what we're going to do is that I'm going to introduce logarithm because I'm having the powers, okay, to be, I'm having the x to be at the position of power. So I want to bring them down. So the only thing I can do is to introduce logarithm, right? So logarithm with respect to base 10. So it's same thing as having 5 to the power of x dot 10 to the power of what? X squared equals logarithm. Then we have this. So if the base is not indicated, so it shows that it is what it is in base 10. So take note of that. So now from there we have log, okay, log. From the law of logarithm, when you have log a multiplied by b, this will be log a multiplied by log b. So I believe you remember that. So we're going to use this, okay, here now. So this is going to be log 5 to the power of x, then plus log 10 to the power of x squared equals log. Then here, you know this 50 can also be splitted as 10 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 5. Okay, because 10 times 5 will give us 50. Now, the next thing we are going to do, so this power will come down log 5 plus this power also will come down x squared log what? Log 10 equals log 10 plus log 5. Are you following? So now from there, the next thing we're going to do is, so we can see that we have x log 5, right, plus x squared. So log 10 will be 1 because I told you the base is what? Is 10. So this base is going to be 1. So x squared times 1. So we're going to have x squared equals, this one also will be 1, then plus log 5. Are you following? Now, this is getting interesting now. So now let's move further. So we're going to have this. We have log 5 here and I have log 5 here. I can factorize. No, sorry. I can collect the right hand. X log 5. Now, this will be transposed to this. We have log 5, right? Then plus x squared. Then up equals what? Equals 1. Are you following? So now, this one that they say I can transpose this one also to this side. It's going to be minus 1. Then I will have everything to the 0. So now from there, the next thing, what's the next thing I'm going to do? So here, I can see that here, let me factorize log 5 because log 5 is here, log 5 is here. So I can have it to be x minus 1, then log 5. Are you getting it? So plus here, x squared minus this one, I can write it as 1 squared equals 0. Are you following? So now from there, the next thing we are going to do, I can say, please, if you are enjoying the class, please, I want you to be sharing, share it, like, comment, and share to your friends, so they can learn from it. So you can see here we have x minus 1 log 5. Now here also, this is like difference of two squares. We can have this one x minus 1, then x plus 1 equals 0. So now from here, the next thing we're going to do, we can see that we have x minus 1 here and x minus 1 here. It's common. Let's factorize x minus 1. X minus 1, all right, into brackets, we have log 5. Here, x minus 1 has gone. We are going to be left with this plus x plus 1 equals 0. So now from here, this is difference of two squares, right? So it's either x minus 1 to be 0, or we have log 5 plus x plus 1 equals 0. So now from here, we can see if we transpose this, we're going to have x equals 1. So which is the obvious solution we have? X equals 1 is the obvious solution we have. Now here is going to be the second solution. So now from here, so I will be having x here. Then I will send this and this to the other side. We have minus 1 minus log what? Log 5. I get it now. So I can leave it like this, or I have it to be minus 1 into bracket 1 plus log 5. And that's the solution. So I have the two solutions, right? And these are the two solutions. X equals 1 and x equals minus 1 into bracket 1 plus log 5. Can you see the solution to the problem? Very beautiful, right? So I told you before that if your hand is not strong in mathematics, so you cannot get this. But by solving it together, I believe you learn new things. You learn new things. So thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying it, please do not hesitate to share it, like, and comment. Okay, so that you can see more of our amazing classes. Bye bye.